And today I'm going to be, well, this is kind of like a showcase video. I got this from, can't remember. I got this like 2 days ago. I just took it out before I can even show you, cause yeah, I don't even remember. But here it is. It's a really little fidget toy. It can spin by itself, but it's not like a hand spinner. It's a fidget toy. There's like a marble inside. Yeah, it's like the perfect toy to help you keep focus and stuff. But I think I already got like enough of those. And yeah. And I also made this duct tape squishy. It's not perfect, but it's very good quality squishy. I think so. Yep. Yeah. And I made this freaking horrible one that's made out of paper and clear tape. It's always a dent right there when I squish it. Like, sure, you can squish it this way. That's boring though. Like, literally. What's the point of the squishy one? You can't squish it always. This one's the best because it's silver and used a lot of material just to make this perfect. But not everything's perfect. But yeah. My cool guy's eating it. Oh no, it's coming back out. Just kidding. But they do have squishies where they have slime in it and then it just comes back out. But I just freaking hate this one. This is 2 + 2 = hot dog. But yeah, let's get back to this. And I got 2. I gave one to my sister, but I don't need this, so I'm gonna give this one to you. I'm gonna give this one to you guys. So I only have 6 subscribers, but I really would love to give this to one of you. So one of the things you have to do is that you have to be subscribed, and you have to be commenting on all of my videos that I ever made, and they all have to be nice or say something that's like that I said to comment or one of my videos. So yeah, comment down below if you guys think this is cool. So there's one of the things you can comment down to get one of these. So yeah, I got red and purple. It's like a clear marble. You can't really tell, but I can tell. Yeah. I really love this squishy, you guys. It's the best squishy ever. Not ever, but yeah. And I love this fidget toy right here. Sorry about that, guys. I really love this fidget toy right here. The red ball joints that I made. It's very cool, guys. I really like it. You can make it to any shape. I'm trying to make it into a circle right now. Not a perfect circle, but I can make it to a close circle. So here's a pretty good ball joint circle. So yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and turn the notification bell so you guys can get a notice every time I post a new video. So yeah, peace.